Hello, welcome to Deathcore. Today we're going to be magnet fishing at Sawmill Cove and around an old cabin. That's what it's called.
Looks like today's turned into an adventure. We had to go off trail. The trail was flooded. So we go around. We'll find our own way. Alright, so we came across this shirt. You see the buttons right there. It's all tattered and mangled and ripped. I wonder if there's a werewolf out here, Dan? I think so. There's the cove. We plan on going to magnet fish. Alright guys, right behind me, there's a bear. Sorry, wait, no. Alright guys, right behind me, over there, there's a bear. Alright guys, the bear that's over there is coming over here.
Good
Alright guys,
quality.
we're gonna go over there, while the bear is over there, before it comes over here. Or, that's all. Wow.
There's a bear.
Or isn't it kind of more funnier though?
Yeah.
You know, all these people just walking right past.
All these people, so there's people over here walking down the trail. If only they knew there was a bear. Hey, bear! He done disappeared on me. No, he's right there. Nails! Oh, nail. Look at all those nails that we got from the chimney spot. It's a lot.
Whole pile.
Lots of nails.
What the fuck? Oh, dolls.
Like, as we can see here, it rolled a 1. That's a dice. Wonder why it's out here, right? Yeah, it's a dice. That's a dice. Yeah, it's a dice. Yeah, it's a dice. So we actually found an old can top. Look at that huge bolt or something. There's all those nails too. And we found something too. All right, so we just met 4 awesome people that we gave them our YouTube channel, and they're going to follow us.
Show it in the video.
Yeah. Nighttime. Tonight, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually seeing the Aurora Borealis. Right where my hand is. Stay tuned to see the Aurora Borealis. We might see something spooky tonight.
Log. Bigger log. Fish!
I just heard something go.
Whoa! Who's there?
Oh, there he is. Oh, there it is, a moon. The lake is like a cake for the sky. That's a guy. When the Aurora Borealis shows up, I have nothing to rhyme about Aurora Borealis, but it's pretty, yeah. What?
Oh gosh, this is the helicopters. I don't like that way. So all jokes aside, we're just having fun out here, but there's like something over there making loud sounds. It could be a bear chewing up on a log. Heard it like 3 times already. The last one was pretty loud. It was like it's like it ripped up the wood or something. We'll keep you guys updated though. As we wait for the Aurora Borealis. Update. It's now dark. And we just heard something snap back here. A little stick. Whoa! To put it in perspective for you guys, we are on the cove. So the only way out is that way. And the sound came from that way. So, but be in mind that there's coyotes, bears, cougars, porcupine, beavers. We'll keep an eye out and keep you guys updated. It's getting darker, so the Aurora Borealis should be coming out sooner. Guys, there's something coming through the trees right here. It's right back there. Hello?
Probably saw our light and was like, nope. And Devin just joked around about seeing like little alien guys coming. Something big over there.
There's a bear across the way here, ripping up a stump. I was calling the ghosts too, so you never know. We're gonna knock and see if you get a knock back. We keep hearing something across the way. It could just be a bear. Is anything there? Can you knock back?
Okay, look, another bright light.
Oh, it's a green light for
Okay, it's flashing. Never mind. God damn airplane. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please comment down below if you really like the Aurora Borealis. And I'm seeing a really bright light right now. If you like this and want to see more, tomorrow night we're going to hopefully see more. Yeah, so stay tuned. That is super bright like the sun. Oh my god, I can see this Aurora Borealis. Oh.